Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit photos on CapCut. So if you can't see like this menu, just select collapse, go to AI enhance and select a picture. I'm just going to select this picture and I'm going to select, actually I'm just going to select this one, and I'm going to select edit, and it's going to basically enhance the picture just a little bit. But in this area, you can only do a few things. I don't think you can do much. Here you can add another picture, move background, add an AI background, and enhance it. But that's basically it, really. If you want to just add, oh, actually, there's more here. Sorry about that. If you press the arrow, you can add a text, add in a color theme. Not sure what this does though. Maybe add in filters. Oh. I'm not quite sure what it does, to be honest. But yeah, you can add in a color theme, you can add in text, add in stickers, change the background, and then once you press export, it's just going to be saved as an image on your gallery and not a video. But that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!